I'm looking good. Yeah, that is the most important thing. Hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Being Navi. Today's video is specially for those girls and ladies who have their favorite sleeveless dress, but because of many reasons they cannot wear it, but that's totally fine. After watching this fashion hack, I'm sure that you're gonna wear that dress, you'll be able to flaunt it, and most importantly, you'll be comfortable in that dress. Guys, I really hope that this video will be helpful for so many girls and ladies. I'm super excited for this video. So without much ado, let's start this beautiful video.
So guys, I have this white color dress जिसके ऊपर black color की embroidery है और जब पहनने के बाद कुछ इस तरह दिखती है. But as you can see, it's sleeveless और कई हद तक backless भी है, and that could be a cause of worry for few ladies. But don't worry, we have a solution here. This black shirt is personally my favorite. It's beautiful, it's almost transparent, but it's very useful. And here's the first way to style your shirt, which covers your sleeves, your back, and which makes you feel more and more confident in this beautiful attire. Just look at it. Oh, by the way, if you wish, you can fold your sleeves because even that will look cooler. And I'm loving it. Carrying a clutcher will complete this look, and here's your final outcome. तो पसंद आया कि नहीं? So on this note, let's move on to our next look. So I'm going to wear the shirt as it is, but I'm going to show you the simplest yet chic style. So here I'm going to use this stretchable black belt, which you just have to wrap around your waist and adjust it. Some more small adjustments. And it's done. So simple yet so stylish, guys, right? Oh, and if you wish, you can just simply put the front buttons on because it's all up to you and it's all about your comfort. Perfect, and it's looking so gorgeous. Folding sleeves is all up to you. I'm folding it right now because I love it that way. This look is effortless and your style will not be compromised. And again, I'm carrying a small clutcher here to complete this look. And that's how you're gonna look, which I feel is beautiful. And it's time to move on to our next look. So guys, for the third look, again I'm wearing my shirt as it is. Also, my sleeves are folded because I love it that way. So for this look, I'm putting on the first two front buttons, gathering all the shirt from the back and sliding the ends through the gap of two buttons. It looks like a bunny knot, which is very cute. Adjust your shirt from the back. Some adjustments from the front. And you're done. Finally, I'm carrying a handbag to complete this beautiful look. Okay, so now it's time to move on to our next look. So for this look, I take this shirt, turn it around, fold the collar of the shirt, again I turn it around and wear it. So basically, I'm wearing this shirt ulta. Yes, and you just have to button it up from behind, gather the shirt from below, take it behind and tie a knot. It might look a bit confusing, but it's very easy. And as usual, folding sleeves is totally up to you. Oh, I almost forgot about my necklace. There it is. And I'm carrying a handbag to complete this look. It looks very classy. And these are four cool styles which we saw today.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really hope this video will be helpful for so many ladies. I had shared this fashion hack on Instagram platform a quite while back and I really got a great response. So I thought, why not to make a video for YouTube about the same hack. So that is the reason why I made this video. I really hope that on this platform as well I will get a great response from you guys. So yeah, let's hope for the best. But for now, if you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and let me know about your thoughts. Do not forget to share it with your friends and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to Being Navi channel. I will see you all in my next video soon. So on this note, this is Being Navi signing off right now. Bye bye. Much love. God bless.